In this video, you'll learn how to change your workspace icon in Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully customized your workspace icon to better reflect your style or branding. Begin by navigating to the Notion website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the URL notion.so. After loading, you will arrive at the Notion homepage, where you can either sign in or create a new account if needed. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid delays. Once you are logged in, locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Look for your profile space, typically found at the top of the sidebar. Click on your profile space to access your account settings. This will lead you to a menu where you can further customize your workspace settings. Next, identify and click on the settings option in the profile menu. This will open a new settings window where various options related to your account workspace are displayed. You should see different tabs along the left side, allowing you to navigate through various settings. After that, click on the Account tab within the Account tab SEM window. This section includes account-specific options. Look for the Workspace option in the list of settings and select it to proceed to the Workspace configuration. Now, click on the General section within the Workspace settings. In this area, you will find options to modify your workspace's general settings, including the ability to change the workspace icon. Continue by selecting Workspace Settings, which is often located in the General Settings menu. This option will display additional settings related to your workspace. Look for the option labeled Icon and click on it to begin the icon selection process. At this point, you will see options to either upload an image or choose an emoji as your new workspace icon. Decide which option you prefer. If you choose to upload an image, ensure the file size is manageable to facilitate a quick upload, as larger files may take longer depending on your. After making your selection, click on the icon you want to use from the available options. This action will prompt the icon to appear in your sidebar and notifications, providing immediate visual feedback that the change has been applied. If you wish to customize the icon further, you can select a color that complements your workspace theme. This option is available after you choose an icon. Adjusting the color can enhance your workspace's appearance and make it more visually appealing. Once you have finalized your icon and color choices, click on the Close button to exit the customization window. This step confirms your selections and takes you back to your workspace. Finally, click on a blank space within your Notion interface to exit the settings menu completely. This action will allow you to view your new workspace icon in its designated location within the sidebar. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.